So what I wanted to do in this patch is run through Facehugger as an oscillator, and then do some oscillator sync, and then look at modulating the oscillator that the Facehugger is syncing to, then modulate the Facehugger as it's being synced, and then use the clock sync as the sort of sync source to get some different tones. So let's just hear the Facehugger by itself first. And we can use this as like a graphic oscillator. So changing the steps here will change sort of the harmonics of the oscillator. Changing the scale there changes the volume of it. So what I'll do next is plug the square wave from the Infernal Noise Machine through into the trigger on the Facehugger. And what that's going to do is re-trigger the Facehugger every time the square wave goes high. So as I change the speed on the Facehugger here and make that faster, we get those sort of oscillator sync sounds. So what I'll do next is I've got so sort of noise in the Infernal Noise Machine that can modulate the oscillator frequency here. So I'll modulate the frequency of the oscillator that's syncing the Facehugger. What I'll do next is I've got that same noise signal that's going to the oscillator here, going through, coming out this the VCA here. So as I adjust the VCA level, we can send different amounts of that to the speed of the Facehugger. The last thing I'll do is I'm going to put this square wave signal through the clock sync module, so then we can sort of divide down the oscillator. So I'm going from the square to the clock in, and then I've got the clock out going to the Facehugger there. I'll just turn down the modulation first. And if you'd like to, you can also introduce the oscillator that it's being synced to through the root here as well to get the mixed in sort of bass tone there as well. I'll use the sort of ramp wave